What's good, Peep Gang family? It's your boy, me. In this episode of John's Cinematic Thrills, we're gonna take a look at how I blessed myself. And you know me, Sewi family, we're the Sewi family. We want to keep those doubloons in our pantaloons. Now I wouldn't be your real boy and son of my boy if I ain't saving money on these fire vids. I go for quality, family, you know that. But I'm a simple homie, so I look for them hot deals. Enter vintage motherfucking lenses. Alright, so let's do a rundown of this high quality aged glass. I'll go get the pipe. Now I know what you're thinking, family. Damn, that shit looks like it's straight out of a nursing home. And it is. These were inherited by some lady that gladly sold them to me for just 35 bones. Okay, so we got this Crestar Auto, 28mm, 2.8, nothing really special about this lens, but I guess it looks nice. And then we have the Minolta MD Rocker 50mm f1.7 lens, which I really like. And this is nice. It came with a Minolta camera. I bought this one separately. It's good shit. And here we have the Focanon 200mm lens. It's a big lens and the aperture is a bit weird. Here we have one of my favorites. It's the Pentacon 50mm 1.8, and I really like this lens, but it's a bit kooky because it's got a like a manual switch for the aperture that you have to press because the camera does not push in the aperture itself. So when I'm taking a picture, not full open, I have to actually press the aperture myself with my finger or a stick. And then we have the Sunderland 28mm f2.8, which is what you were looking through for most of this video. And here we have the Crestar 135mm f2.8. The aperture is also fucked on this one. I cannot actually fix it. It's stuck. Actually, it came with this whack looking device. Supposedly, it needs films to work, but I ain't got time to Netflix and chill with this pretentious looking asshole. Despite what the public thinks, I am not a hipster. But family, hold up. It also came with this thing, which is a little camera mount. Now I know what you're thinking, family. You want to see all that footage coming from that sweet ass lens. Psych, my guy, you already are. But I also made some coffee and I accidentally pressed the record button, so I made some footage of me making some coffee. Accidentally.
You niggas don't fuck with Sam. Y'all niggas fuck with me, Sam. Look the fresh at that Sam. Y'all niggas quit fucking with Sam. Y'all niggas don't fuck with Sam. Y'all niggas fuck with my Sam. Not the fresh at that Sam. Y'all niggas quit fucking with Sam. Y'all niggas don't fuck with Sam. Y'all niggas fuck with me, Sam. Not the fresh at that Sam. Y'all niggas quit fucking with Sam. Y'all niggas don't fuck with Sam. Y'all niggas fuck with my Sam. What the fuck? fresher than salmon. Y'all niggas quit fucking salmon.
I'll be honest, Sewi family. I don't really care for these long focal length lenses. They're cool and all, but they're mostly paperweights to me. I do like these little small ones, these little prime lenses. They're prime material for photos and footage. And the one you're looking through right now. I really like that one. But I just wanted some rapid fire fast lenses. Go to a thrift store or go to eBay and buy used lenses. Bless yourself for less.